We've got an action-packed category 1 that was. There was a tiebreaker, two young tiny tots fighting it out for the final place. It was quite awesome to watch. We'll get back to your scores pretty soon. We've got kids from category 2 who are ready and lined up to take on this wonderful battle. May I please call upon our first contestant from category 2, please.
Hello everyone, my name is Nandan. I am from ACS Magnolia Maruti Public School.
All right, Nandan, if you're ready, your timer, your first word is abandon.
ABANDON.
That's right. Triumph.
TRIMPH.
That's wrong. Hygiene.
HYGIENE.
That's right. Bulletin.
GLUTTEN.
That's wrong. Successor.
SUCCER.
That's wrong. Autumn.
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 OUTOM.
That's wrong. Accident.
ACCIDENT.
That's right. Underrate.
UNDERRATE.
That's right. Degree.
DEGGRE.
I want you to spell it again.
DEGGRE.
That's wrong. Channel.
CHANNEL.
That's right. Nonsense.
NONSENSE.
That's right. Poultry.
Poultry.
That's right.
POULTRY.
That's right. That completes your 60 seconds, Nandan. And you've got 7 right answers that you've managed to crack. Thank you so much. You can get back to your seat. All right, category 2, and the action is heating up a little bit. 7 right answers for Nandan. That was well done.